I agree with the President. Nairobi will remain a county. We will leave it. And therefore, people must work together and must work in harmony, but respect the law. Respect what the law says. Respect what a governor does in their county. If it was another governor, I doubt whether you would be rodding on him like this. So for me, I think we have given Sonko a lot of pressure. Time is up for us to now release the pressure. And governor, get out of media, go somewhere, reflect yourself, and now come back. For Miguna, he has a right. The day he will arrive, the county assemblies are the powerful tool that will pass Miguna. I, as the Speaker, will table the letter when I receive, as I said, even in Nairobi. I will table it in the county assembly. They are on recess, and therefore up to June 4th. But for us, the day he will come, we will vet him. Yeah. We have no any other choice. I mean, that was the choice of the governor, and we will respect his choice.